GitHub CodeSpaces can be created by first opening any of your GitHub repository, then selecting Create CodeSpace under CodeSpaces tab. It will automatically create development environment in cloud for you. This is basically a VS Code for web. Like VS Code, you have a source control tab where you can compare Git changes or can commit changes or can even push commit from here. It has a terminal where you can run commands. For example, I run a command to install a React app. With npm start, it has started the React app in localhost. You can create code spaces from different templates of various technologies. For example, I can create a code space of a basic Express project. After selecting template, a new code space will be created. It will even start simple browser in code space. This is another code space created from React template. You can change something in file and it will be reflected in real time. You can manage all your created code spaces under code spaces page. You can rename them, change their machine type, and much more.